What's up everyone, this is Kevin, your financial tutor. This video is a little bit different than the normal videos I release on my channel on how to make more money or save more money. In this video we're going to talk about how to sell those unused gift cards that you no longer want and turn them into straight cash. This is a super simple tutorial. I'm going to walk you guys step by step on how to sell the gift cards, how to get the most amount of money, and how to not get scammed. So make sure to stay tuned and let's get started with this video. So before we get started with the video of me actually showing you how to sell these gift cards and get money from them, I want to give you guys some general advice that actually really did help me out. Number one is to check out the different websites. Some websites might give you more or less or more depending on if you get an Amazon gift card or rather if you want straight cash to your checking account. So I would definitely recommend putting them all in. It only takes a time or two and you can actually get back maybe a 10 to 15% more money going with a different company. My second tip is to not list your gift cards on eBay at all. I actually did this a few years back and I actually got scammed. So I had a gift card from Best Buy, listed it, sold it, and I thought it would be smart and the fastest way if I just gave them the code for the actual gift card so they could use it online. They then used the money, all that was on the gift card, and then opened up a case with eBay and said that they never got the gift card, or they said that it wasn't any money on the gift card. So they definitely scammed me, and I want to make sure that you guys avoid that at all costs. And even if you guys try to ship them the gift card, I feel like with eBay, there's a lot likelihood of they can scam you, and eBay tends to favor the buyer in almost all cases, and I've been selling on eBay for about 10 years now. So I would highly recommend to stay away from gift cards with eBay. If you guys have a Visa gift card instead of a regular gift card only meant for one store, I would highly recommend that you check out my other video tutorial. With this Visa gift card, in this tutorial, you're actually going to be saving more money, paying less in fees, and you're going to get your money a lot faster. So I would highly recommend you watch that video. But if you have a gift card just to one store or whatever, you're going to have to stay with this video and check out this tutorial. Before I mention the websites, I also want to say that I did a lot of research and this took me months and checking out different websites, making sure that you guys do not get scammed and get the most amount of money from selling your gift cards to these websites. So please do smash that like button. It really does help out the channel and with the YouTube algorithm so more people could enjoy this type of content. But enough of all that and let's get started. The first company and usually number one that I go with to sell my gift cards is called Raise. Now this company has actually been around the longest, so it has the best reputation I would say with selling gift cards. You're not going to get scammed. I've sold personally multiple gift cards on this website and had a really good experience. I have typically found that Raise has given me the most amount of money for my gift cards. Like my first tip, I always go through all the different websites to make sure that I get the highest amount of money from the gift card, but Raise is typically the highest one, so it's always the first one that I decide to go with when I'm looking to sell a gift card. The second website that I would also highly recommend is Cardpool. So this is another website that I've actually personally used and had another great experience on it. So it kind of goes back on depending on where your gift card is for. You might get more money off a certain website. So this is once again another great website that I would highly recommend. Three other websites that I personally have not used but have found listed time and time again on other resources as a good place to look to sell your gift cards are Clipkard, Card Cash, and Card Kangaroo. So all of these websites like I said, haven't personally used, but I heard great things from other reviews on other videos and other sources online saying that these also give them good prices on their gift card. But for me, in my situation, Raise and Cardpool have always given me the best return for selling my gift cards. So usually my first steps when I go to sell my gift card is I check out Raise and then Cardpool and the other three websites that I mentioned. Like I said, it's really easy to list your card for sale on Raise, and we're actually going to walk you through that step by step right now. Okay, so now we're on the Raise website. It's super easy to create an account. It only takes about a minute or so. After your account's up and running, you want to click on Sell. And then just type in the name of your gift card right here. And you can see right here that Raise has quite a big inventory of different gift cards that they buy and sell on their website. And I found Raise to have actually one of the biggest inventories. So most likely they're going to have your store or gift card for purchase or sale on their website. So right here, it's super simple. We're going to go over my Lowe's gift card example. You just want to type in the serial number and then your PIN number. And it doesn't matter whether it's a physical gift card you can hold in your hand or an e-gift card. You can sell both kinds on the website. So you just want to list how much it's for. So for my Lowe's gift card, Raise is actually going to list it for a 2.63% off of the card value and this is how much the buyer is going to pay for the gift card. But that doesn't mean that's all the money I'm going to be receiving. If you look below at the green part, that's actually going to be how much money I'm going to be receiving. Some people might think that's quite a bit less than what they anticipated, but that's just kind of the cost of doing business. And like I said, Raise tends to be one of the higher websites for when you sell your gift cards. Plus, at the end of the day, if I know I'm not going to use the gift card, I'd much rather have cash value in my checking account or PayPal versus having the gift card sit there, even if it is considerably less than actually on the gift card. So after you fill out this page, you just click continue listing, and then that will make your listing active, so then a potential buyer can purchase your gift card. So it literally only takes about 30 seconds or so to list your gift card. One thing I like to point out though, when I do list the gift card for sale, it does give you a percentage that Raise thinks you should mark off for the potential buyer. But as you can see here, basically all these listings have the same percentage off. So what I like to do is just mark it down by an extra dime or a nickel. That really does separate you from the competition, even if it's a nickel or 10 cents. And you're going to have a potential buyer buy your gift card before anyone else's, therefore saving you maybe an extra day or two having your gift card listed on the website. So once you actually sell your gift card, it is going to take about 2 to 3 days to actually take that money and transfer it into your PayPal account and actually have that money in your hands. So that is one thing to note. If you're on a time crunch and really need money off your gift card, you're probably going to have to sell it elsewhere, maybe to your friends or family, or actually use it at the store if you want to use that money and you're in a time crunch. But if you don't mind waiting several days in order to get the money, I would highly recommend Raise and Carpool. Well, that's it for my tutorial on how to turn your gift cards into cash for the fastest and for the most profitable way of getting that money off the gift card into cash. Well, if this video helped you out, please help me out by smashing that like button. See you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.